Thanks, everybody. Play the song. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Skeet that. Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Marty in New York. Marty.
Yeah. Hey, Jim. Question for you. First of all, I have to call you the professor and not Jimmy Chill. Thank you so much for everything. You're extremely knowledgeable.
Thank you.
Jim, a few months ago, you were talking about a stock, Innovative Industrial Properties, ticker IIBR. Since the beginning of the year, it's taken quite a fall from grace, dropping about 75 points. 2 weeks ago, Jim, the company made a public offering of like over 1.5 million shares of common stock, and then it like tanked.
Yeah, I know. I mean, but remember, cannabis is a growth industry. It yields 4%. If you're looking for income, I think it's a really good place to look for income, and I'm not backing away from that. I think it's been a terrific long-term stock, and it'll remain a great long-term stock. Let's go to Timothy in New York. Timothy, please.
Mr. Cramer,
yes.
I'm a Gulf War vet from Americus, Georgia. It is a pleasure and an honor to speak with you today, sir.
You're very kind. Thank you. What's up?
I read your books when I was in prison. It inspired me to survive. I'm calling about 1-800-Flowers today. Every year around this time, it plays possum ahead of Easter, earnings, and Mother's Day. What do you think, sir?
I think for a trade, it's good. I don't know. The stock just, the stock is in one of these markets that it just will not lift. But I think that it's a very expensive stock, a very well-run company, and it's got a catalyst, which is, as you say, Easter and Mother's Day. Let's go to Stephen in California. Stephen.
Yes, Jim, thank you for taking my phone call.
Absolutely.
The stock I'm interested in is, a buy or sell is Green Brick Partners.
I know Green Brick Partners. Now, the problem with Green Brick Partners, again, it's housing. There's so many companies that are in the grips, just absolutely in the grips of what I regard as being the Fed trying to stop or slow the economy. You have to wait until you get the all clear. Now, you have to do a little, of course, before the all clear, but people don't want anything related to housing because of how vociferous the Fed heads are about stopping and slowing inflation. Let's go to Randy in Ohio. Randy.
Yeah, Jim, I'm in Idaho. But anyway, I love your show. I've been following you since Kudlow. But I want to know about Clearfield, the fiber optics company, CLF.
I think it's interesting. I think that telecommunications fiber optics is very good. But you know what? I mean, look, I'd rather own a T-Mobile. I get direct exposure to the fastest growth and well-run company in the telco business. One more. Let's go to Kelly in Wyoming. Kelly.
A big booyah to you, Mr. Cramer. How are you?
I am fine. Booyah right back to you, says Jimmy Chill. I will be chill once I get my points across, Mel, how Musk must win. Go ahead.
I'm going to ask you about Virgin Galactic, SPCE, your thoughts on investing in it.
Look, I know people want to take a long-term view, and that's great. I mean, this is like a lottery ticket. Some lottery tickets do win, but right now, I'm not recommending any stocks that are losing a lot of money. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade.